Reply to Google My Business review using OpenRouter.ai automatically. So whenever a new rating and review is received on your Google My Business profile, I will show you how you can create an automatic reply for that review using this OpenRouter application, which is an AI application, and how the same reply can be posted on that review automatically once again. Want to learn how you can also automate the process of replying on Google My Business reviews? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is my Google My Business profile where I have received a lot of review and rating, and here you can notice this is the most recent review received a week ago and it is still unreplied. So I will show you how you can automatically create a reply for this review and how the same reply will be sent automatically. Now to do that, firstly I will have to build a connection, build an integration in this Google My Business profile with this OpenRouter application. As I have told you that this is an AI application, and in order to connect these two I will use this Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software, and I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as reply to Google My Business review using OpenRouter.ai. Now it is asking to select the folder, so I'll be selecting this main workflow folder, simply clicking on create, and after that you will notice 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever a new review is received on my Google My Business profile, so that is why I am selecting the same application. Then further I want that an automatic reply should be generated using OpenRouter application. So again I will be selecting the same application as an action application, and in this way you can add as many as action steps as you want. Okay, so further I also want that the same generated reply should be sent on my Google My Business review once again. Okay, so that is why I am selecting the same application once again. Okay, let me search for Google My Business review. Okay, so in this way you can automate these process. Okay, and now the idea here is I will be connecting these applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first connect Google My Business review with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly I'll select the trigger event, that is new review. You can also read the instructions, that is triggers when a new review is submitted for a specific location. So yes, I want to perform the same, so I have selected the same, clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection. And for the connection, if you are connecting Google My Business review for the first time, click on the sign in with Google, and then you will have to provide the access of your Google account. Okay, but I have provided this access multiple times, so currently I am going with the existing connection. Okay, if you are connecting it for the first time, you will have to provide the access, but after that you can also go with the existing connection. You can also use the saved connection. Okay, so here you can notice it is connected and it is showing me the same account name, that is Parampara. Let me show you. Yes, it is the same business profile, and here the location name is also detected here automatically. Now as soon as I click on this button save and send test request, and that response consists of the recent review which I have received on my Google My Business profile. Okay, so here we have the star rating as 4, here we have the reviewer display name, that is Nancy Sharma, and here we have the comment also which she has left for us, that is traditional dresses are really unique and good. And you can notice that it is the same review which we have received on our profile. Okay, so that means the connection in between Google My Business profile and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. So now onwards what will happen. Every time a new review or a rating is received on my business profile, the same review will be received via Pabbly Connect in 8 hours. Yes, it is not going to capture that review immediately. It will at least take 8 hours because this trigger will check for the new data in 8 hours, and after that the same review will be sent to OpenRouter.ai automatically, and in this way the content, the reply will be generated automatically. Now how we can do that? So the application is already selected. Now I will be selecting the action event, that is create chat completions. Okay, clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, and for this connection it is asking for the token. Okay, so let me take you to the dashboard of OpenRouter.ai. Now you will have to click on this account section, then click on this keys section, and from here you can generate a new key. Okay, so clicking on this button, let me provide a random name, something like connection with Pabbly. And now I am clicking on this create button directly, and in this way the key will be generated. Let me copy and paste the same here, clicking on save, and in this way my OpenRouter.ai account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. And finally I am going to generate the reply for my review. Okay, so the very first thing it is asking for the HTTP referer, basically your AI site URL. Okay, so currently because I am creating this automation just to show you how automations can be created, how applications can be connected, so I'm taking this example site URL only. In your case you can provide your site URL. Asking for the model, so you will have to select this one, that is OpenAI GPT 3.5 Turbo. This is the most recent one. Asking for your site name, well this is not a mandatory field, so how about I leave it blank. And now it is asking for the role, so I'll be selecting this user only. And finally it is asking for the content user. Basically provide the content as per the role. Okay, so here you will have to provide the instruction that what needs to be generated. Okay, so I want to create a reply for my review, so my instruction is going to be the same, something like generate a reply for the review and hyphen, and after that I will add the comment, I will add the review which I have got via Google My Business Review. And the interesting thing here is I am not going to manually copy the above comment, the above review, and paste below again and again for every new review. Okay, I am going to map this review here so that it will replace automatically when our automation will work in real time or in next time. Okay, and mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data, the same data here in the drop down. Select that data which you want to map, and in this way it will be mapped. Okay, again telling you, whatever the details we are mapping here from the drop down, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time, and whatever the details we will provide here manually will remain same. Okay, so this is the difference in providing the values via mapping and via manually. Okay, and that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation. Now clicking on this button, save and send test request, and waiting for the response to receive. And in that response I am expecting a review, a reply in return of that review. Okay, so here you can notice the response is received, and here you can find the reply. Okay, so we have the reply. All right, give me a second, let me read that. Thank you for your positive feedback on your traditional dresses. We truly appreciate your support. We completely understand your suggestion to include some western outfits in our collection. Okay, so did you notice what an interesting reply has been generated automatically using this AI application, using this OpenRouter.ai application. Okay, so finally I am going to post the same reply to the comment which we have got via Google My Business profile. Okay, so scrolling down, and here basically our second step of automation is also done. Now moving further, I will be posting the same review on Google My Business profile. Okay, so selecting the action event, and this time I will select something like send a reply. All right, no, it is not like that. All right, so this is the create reply. Let you create a reply to the user review. Yes, I want to perform the same. Clicking on connect, and this time instead of going with the new connection, again I'll go with the existing connection only. Clicking on save, and in this way my Google My Business account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the review review name and your reply. Okay, so here you will find a lot of reviews which you have got on your profile, but I will be selecting which particular review, basically the review for which we have generated the reply. Okay, so as I have just told you that whatever the details we will map here will be replaced, but whatever the details we will select here manually will remain same. Okay, so that is why I cannot select it manually. Instead of that, I am going to map it. Okay, so for that, firstly I will have to enable this mapping button, and now I am going to remove this existing ID of the review, and once again I am going to map the details. Basically I am going to map the review ID from this drop down. Okay, so here we have lot of details, and this is the review name. Here you can notice review names. Okay, so I have mapped it successfully. So what will happen, every time a new review is received, the reply will be generated automatically for that review, and this reply will be sent on this specific review only. So that is why mapping again plays a major role here. And finally it is asking for your reply. So again I will be mapping the reply from this OpenRouter.ai step. So it is done. Now clicking on this button, save and send test request, and once again waiting for the response, and if that response is positive, that means my review has been posted here successfully. Alright, waiting for that, I have refreshed my business profile, fingers crossed. Alright, so let's check for the reply. And here you can notice the same reply has been posted on my comment automatically. Thank you for your positive feedback on your traditional dresses. We truly appreciate your support. We completely understand your suggestion to include some western outfits in our collection. We value the preferences and interest of our customers. Okay, so did you notice how automatically the reply has been posted on the review or rating which I have received a week ago? So in this way, with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can build a connection in Google My Business and in this OpenRouter application and automate the entire process of replying the review and rating automatically. Okay, so I hope you have understood everything. So what exactly we have done, we have connected Google My Business with the Pabbly Connect and have received the review and rating, and further we have sent the very same reply automatically. And just in case if you want to access this automation, I will also attach the link of my automation workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. And you need to create this automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.